Hey guys, so it's time to unbox the Xiaomi Mi6 phone, which is a new device from Xiaomi. This is coming with some very powerful specifications: Snapdragon 835, 6 gigs of RAM, and 64 gigs or 128 gigs internal storage. So very beastly actually, all for €400. And we're going to unbox it here, have a look at the device, see in terms of the hardware. It's just the software which can be a little bit weird, but maybe they have improved things here. So this is the device here, as you can see, which is nice. It's coming with like a nice premium build to it. Feels very high quality around the edges here. We're just going to see what you get in the box and then unpeel it completely. So you do get a charger here. I'm guessing this is a Xiaomi fast charger. Can we see that? Doesn't say anything. It says I think 2 amp output. So we're getting something nice here as well. I think charging cable and a little adapter thing as well. So maybe this doesn't come with a headphone jack. There you go. You see, no headphone jack, unfortunately, which is very iPhone-like, courage and all that. You get a SIM tool, and you do get a case as well, a protective case. So we'll just have a look at this. Whoops. Get this off. So this is a see-through case, as you can see, keeping the device looking very nice. I think it's coming with a very decent camera as well with this device, dual camera. And that's all for the box. So we're going to have a look at the actual device here, get it unpeeled, and see what it does bring here. This is coming in at, I think, 5 inches, so very pocketable, as you can see. And it feels absolutely sublime here, just as good as your, mainstream models in terms of the build quality. Wow, that is nice. So they've kind of refined the Xiaomi Mi5 look a little bit and gone completely stealth bomber here at the back. You can see we do have Type C. Oh, the device is on already. That's nice of them. So we just unpeel this as well. Dual camera, as you can see. I think it's 12 megapixel, but if it's different, do correct me. I think I just turned it on actually while I was looking at it. So we do get SIM jack here, as you can see. And one there as well. I'm guessing it supports micro SD cards, so that is nice. We'll just quickly go through the setup process. See if we're on here. They always miss us out for some reason. Really weird. It's like they just don't care about old Blighty. So we're just going to say we're from the US. And we'll just connect to my Wi-Fi as well. Keyboard feels good to type on. And we're getting some nice noises here, typical Xiaomi stuff. So got Google, yes we do. You got your Mi account as well. Add your fingerprint. We might as well do this, see how it is here. So let's just see. Oh, you saw a little bit of instability there. This is what I'm talking about, with Xiaomi. So you might as well see this one, I don't care. So the fingerprint stands on the front, as you can see, and it seems to scan nice and fast. We go for the default theme. So it's going to be very interesting to see, you know, who is the budget boss here between this phone and the OnePlus 3T. I don't know of any other phones really, except for some of the Samsung C series phones, which have 6 gigs of RAM with Snapdragon 835. Pretty beastly, if you ask me. So definitely loving the build quality there. Gotta say, hopefully it's not slidey boy like the Mi6. So this is the actual interface here, as you can see. Looks very typical Xiaomi, which we do know and love. Very nice pleasant UI here. And it looks like we are getting the latest Android 7.1.1, which is nice. And you can even have a choice here of what you want it to do. So we want it to do the Easter egg, as you can see. And you can see we have music here. We have the camera. And let's take a picture of something. Take a picture of the box. So it takes picture nice and fast. And you can see the detail is definitely there already. I'm guessing it supports, you know, all the good stuff, 4K, etc. So let's have a look. You get all your modes, HHTs there, and let's have a look. 4K, as you can see, nice. Full screen picture quality. So yeah, you know, fully featured here pretty much. There is a dual camera there as well, so I'm assuming you can do some nice stuff with it. What's this? Portrait mode, as you can see. So maybe we can do it this way. Saying move further away. So let's see, is it this? So it looks like it takes 2 shots. No, it doesn't, in fact. I obviously need to probably get to learn how this actually works here, because usually I would expect I'd expect it to allow me to refocus it. Move further away. I'm really far away now. There we go. So yeah, I can definitely see some blur there, but I'm not really controlling it, so you know, definitely gonna have to figure that out. But it's nice that they've included it for such an affordable phone here, and I'll definitely be doing some comparisons, seeing how it does compare with, you know, some other phones, because Xiaomi you know, has some interesting quirks when it comes to the software. You can see pretty much standard affair here when it comes to the wallpapers, pretty much the same as the Mi6. So yeah, just a quick unboxing, first look of the Mi6. If you've got any questions, do let me know. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.